Welcome! If you're looking to update your profile picture on Gmail, you've come to the right place. Changing your profile picture is a simple way to personalize your account and make it stand out. Let's dive into the updated steps for changing your Gmail profile picture on an Android device. First, open the Gmail app on your Android device. You'll find it in your app drawer, so go ahead and tap to launch it. Next, tap your profile picture located at the top right corner of the screen. This will bring up a menu where you can update your account settings. Now, select Manage your Google account to proceed further. Once you're in your Google account settings, tap your profile picture again. This will lead you to the photo options. At the bottom left, you'll see the Change option. Click on that, and now it's time to add a new photo. You can either select a photo from your gallery or take a new one right then and there. After choosing your picture, tap Next at the bottom. Finally, to confirm your new look, tap Set as Profile Picture. And that's it. Your Gmail profile picture is updated, making your account more uniquely you. Enjoy your newly refreshed profile.